Hi, sweeties. Welcome to Sweet Savant. I'm Demetra. I'm doing a follow-up on my review demonstration of the Power Air Fryer XL grill oven. Does a whole bunch of stuff, but unfortunately, not well. When I first reviewed it, I gave it a B. It wasn't so good as an indoor grill, but it did. Oh, ready. It did a pretty fair job at being a countertop air fryer oven, great amount of space. It was a great toaster replacement because you could set it, the toast bagel setting. The fan doesn't come on, so you can make toast, or my favorite snack is toast and cheese, a slice of American cheese on top of toast, on top of bread, and you toast it and get like a little char on top of the toast. So you see, like this was 4 to 6 months ago. The coils would get all nice and red hot. You got to get little eggs cooking in there. You know, it used to do a pretty good job. But this was when I first got it. But now that it's been 6 months, not so good. As time has gone by, the toast ain't toasting. You know, I set this to the maximum temperature, 450 degrees. See that toast is black there, right? Okay. So let's turn it to the toast bagel setting, and that way the fan won't come on and blow our toast around. And then we'll set it to toast. See that little toast icon? You've got to turn it past 20 and then turn it back. And then you notice the temperature, the time numbers have been rubbed off just after normal cleaning, so that's disappointing. So it's been there the full time, right? The time is almost off now. Let's check and see what this toast looks like after it's gone through the full time. And this toast, it's not working out. It's only been about 6 months. I bought this 6 months ago, and look at this toast is blonde. It's not toasting at all. It's just dried out white bread. So I'm very disappointed. I paid, I think it was $190 for this 6 months ago when I first bought it. It's even more expensive now, and it's not working properly. So I wanted to measure the actual temperature and see what is going on with this PowerXL oven grill. As I was making French fries one day, like some frozen fries, that they were not getting crispy, and I had to put the oven on twice as long. Like say for these tater tots, hang on, let me get my oven glove. These tater tots have been in this oven for like 40 minutes, which is twice as long as they should. And they finally are starting to get crispy. The oven directions for that is to put it in for those tater tots at 400 degrees, 425 degrees for 16 minutes. These have been in this toaster oven at 450 degrees for 40 minutes. That just won't do. So I figured I would do a little test. And I got a thermometer, an oven thermometer, and put it in there and checked the temperature. Let's see what happened. First, let's talk about this timer. Look how the numbers have rubbed off after 6 months of use. This is what it used to look like. And here's what it looks like now. A shame. So just to get started, I set it was about 60 minutes maybe, set at 450 degrees on the toast bagel setting. And now it looks to be about 20 minutes have passed, 450 degrees, toast bagel setting, and the temperature has gotten not even up to 300 degrees yet. Now that's a long time for the temperature to get where it needs to be. But let's give it some more time, and I'm going to put it on the air fry setting. Maybe that'll give it like an extra boost. That air fryer fan will hopefully give this a little of the extra power that it needs. Okay, so another 20 minutes has passed on the air fryer setting. at 450 degrees, and the thermometer says that it is just about 330 degrees, nowhere near the 450 that it's set at. We let it run even longer. It's almost been a full hour now, set at 450 degrees. And let's check where the temperature is. And it's even dropped lower. Now it's just above 300 degrees. So it's not even getting any better. It's actually getting worse as time goes by. Not a good sign at all. I want to be fair. I want to give an accurate test. So let's check to make sure that the thermometer actually works properly. Because what if this thermometer is broken and doesn't even get past 350 degrees? So I'll take the thermometer out of the PowerXL and put it into my regular oven and set my regular oven for 450 degrees. And let's see what it says there. Or, I mean, maybe my whole life is a lie. Maybe my whole oven doesn't even get to 450 degrees. And guess what? It gets to 425. So I do need to get my regular oven checked, but clearly this thermometer works. It gets up to at least 425 degrees. We'll see. But I've got another test. We're going to use the Weber Connect. It's got an ambient temperature probe. So you've seen me use this on my outdoor grill, my Weber grill. It comes with, you just plug the probe in, and then you use that clip to attach it to normally your grill grates, and you can use this on any grill, but I'm going to use it in my PowerXL oven to measure the temperature. So you just clip it right there to the grill grates, or in this case, the rack, and close the door. Just set your temperature, your timer. We're going to go back to 450 degrees. I have it on the air fry setting, and then we'll put the timer on who knows what because the numbers have rubbed off. But let's get it going. And when we get it started, it is, there you go, 450 degrees, air fryer, and maybe that's about, what is it, 60 minutes? I don't know. And you can see there it sends the temperature to the base of the Weber Connect. You can also get it sent to your phone, but since I'm using my phone to record, we will just send it to the base of the Weber Connect, and it's going to keep track of the temperature as it rises. And let's see how far it gets. All right, so it's been going for maybe about 10 minutes now, and it's up to 330 degrees. And that's about the temperature that the other thermometer was reaching. And so far, it looks like we're getting the same results. A little more time has passed, and the temperature has actually dropped back down to 321 degrees. So similar, as time goes on, the temperature seems to drop. It kind of gets cranked up, and then it loses. Look at this, 316 degrees. Now it's been on for maybe 20 minutes or so, and it's giving us a temperature of 316 degrees, while the oven is set for 450. The Weber Connect is saying it's top at about 316, 317, here 318. So after like 6 months of use, this PowerXL air fryer grill oven is basically garbage. It's basically garbage. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to be in the market for another air fryer oven, toaster oven replacement. I need recommendations, y'all. If you have an air fryer oven, toaster oven that you really love, please let me know in the comments, because I need a replacement. This is not cutting it like at all. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. So there you have it, folks. I tested the oven temperature with both this standard analog, it says Taylor, thermometer, and with the Weber Connect thermometer, and both of them topped out at about 330, 320 degrees, not nearly the 450 degrees that it says it should, that the maximum temperature should be. And also with the controls, they were never that good to begin with, because you couldn't set it for precisely the time you wanted. Is it about 20 minutes? Is it about 15 minutes? Who knows? And, you just kind of have to guess where this is what you're going to be at. And then when you clean it, it just wipes right off. Terrible. So I cannot recommend the PowerXL air fryer grill oven. I'm still in the market for an air fryer oven toaster replacement so that I can have one device. I don't want to have an air fryer on the counter and a toaster. I want something that can hold a large capacity, that can make toast, something where I can turn off the fan if I need to, that gets to a high temperature. I want something that does it all. So if you have an air fryer oven at home or one that you've tried, let me know in the comments. I need your recommendations of what I should try because this ain't cutting it. So please let me know your recommendations in the comments. I need your help on this one. Which one should I try next? Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day. Now, if this thing can't even make toast, you know it's not going to do anything with your steak, your chicken, your vegetables. It's not going to do nothing. It's a complete waste of money. Shame.